Meaning of Environmental Health Officer.
Environmental Health Officer.
Environmental Health Officer.
Environmental Health Officer.
Environmental Health Officer. An environmental health officer is a professional responsible for monitoring and assessing environmental factors that may impact public health and safety. This includes ensuring compliance with regulations related to air and water quality, food safety, pest control, and waste management. Additionally, they have a role in responding to public health emergencies, investigating complaints, and providing education to individuals and communities. Overall, their work is critical in preventing or mitigating environmental hazards and promoting a healthier living environment.